Can ICE detain your kids during a school field trip? Can they wait for you outside the school even if your child is a US citizen? Is the school required to tell ICE where you live? Today we're answering questions from viewers, questions that millions of families are asking themselves right now. And if you're an undocumented parent or student, you deserve clear answers. Because what's happening between ICE and schools right now, it's unlike anything we've seen before. So let's get to it. Can ICE search a school bus? After the changes that took effect in January of 2025, ICE is no longer restricted from entering sensitive locations like schools. This includes field trips, sports events, even school buses. So can they stop and search a bus your child is riding? Yes. Legally, they can intercept it if they believe someone on board is of a person of immigration interest. That's causing a lot of concern in immigration communities, rightfully so. But listen closely. Children have rights too. They can stay silent. They don't have to sign anything. And they can ask to speak with you or a lawyer. As a parent, your role is critical. Talk to your kids. Teach them simple but powerful phrases like, I don't want to talk. I want to wait for my parents. I don't understand. I want to call my family. These words could protect them in an unfair situation. Can ICE look for parents inside the school? Unfortunately, yes. ICE can approach a school to ask about parents. But hear me loud and clear. That doesn't mean the school is required to cooperate. There's a law called FERPA that protects students' private information. Names, addresses, parents' contact info, all of that is protected. Without your written consent or a court order, the school can't release that information. So here's my advice. Go to your school office. Ask if they have a protocol in case ICE shows up. And in writing, state you do not authorize the release of your child's information or your information without a judge's order. Can ICE detain me even if my child is a US citizen? Yes, and I say this with the seriousness it deserves. Having a US citizen child does not protect you from arrest if you're undocumented. ICE can wait for you outside the school, on the sidewalk, next to your car, next to your home. If they already have your name and license plate, they can move fast. But here's one important limit. To enter the school building or arrest you inside the school, they have to have a judge-signed order. No order, no entry. Here's my advice as an attorney. Don't expose yourself unnecessarily. Have an emergency plan. Talk to someone you trust who can take care of your kids if something happens. If possible, prepare a folder with your key documents and a power of attorney. This isn't meant to scare you. The opposite, it's to empower you. No one should have to live in fear just for taking their child to school. But you are not alone. Seek legal help. Know your rights. Talk to your children. And if this video helped you, share it with another family who might need it too, because being prepared can make all the difference. We'll see you in the next video. Remember, we're in this together.
Hey, did you like the video? I invite you to watch another video where I share more tips on how to protect your reputation as an immigrant. Until next time.